and welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to install your new automated MySmartRollerShades. Your kit will include your new shade with the motor assembly, solar panel, mounting brackets, and other necessary hardware. Make sure to remove any existing roller shades, blinds, curtains, or anything else that might be attached to your window or window frame. Consult the manufacturer's user documentation on how to safely remove those components before installing your new automated MySmartRollerShades. For this installation, you'll need a tape measure, a pencil, and an impact driver or drill with a Phillips bit. Before going further, you'll need to determine whether your shade unrolls the fabric off the front towards the room or off the back towards the window. This will affect where you position the mounting brackets. While the shade is still rolled up, measure the shade roll diameter to help you determine where to mount the brackets so that there is enough room to keep the shade fabric from rubbing against anything that may impede it as it moves up and down. Record this measurement as it will be used to determine where to mount your brackets. If you are mounting your shades on the inside of your window frame, you will mount your brackets with the curve of the brackets facing down and the adhesive towards the wall, and the top of the brackets flush with the top of the window frame. Don't remove the adhesive backing until you are ready to position the bracket. Once applied, the adhesive will make the bracket very difficult to remove. Using the roll diameter measurement you made earlier, make a mark on the inside of the window frame where the center of your bracket will be. Before you remove the protective film from the adhesive backing, hold the bracket in place with the back of the bracket centered over the pencil mark made. Use the pencil to mark the back side of the bracket, then peel the protective film from the adhesive and firmly press the bracket within the pencil marks you just made. Use the included flat wall screws to secure the brackets in place. Repeat this process on the other side of the window frame. Next, we will install the solar panel, which is used to charge the roller shade motor assembly. If possible, we recommend mounting the solar panel directly to your window pane to receive maximum sun exposure. Make sure there is enough room for the window to open properly before mounting the solar panel to the glass. Take one of the adhesive strips and hold it next to the solar panel as you open your window to make sure you have enough room to do so. If the window cannot go over the solar panel and the adhesive strip, you'll need to mount your solar panel with the adjustable clips. Depending on which side of your roller shade has the motor assembly pendant, you will want to place the solar panel in the upper corner of the window pane on the same side. To attach the solar panel directly to the window pane, use the included alcohol wipe to clean the plastic end caps on each end of the panel. Then clean the area on your window where you want to put the panel. Place a thin adhesive strip on each end of the panel, facing towards the window pane. Remove the protective film from the adhesive strips and firmly press the solar panel against the glass. To mount the solar panel with the adjustable brackets, place an adhesive strip on the top or the side of each bracket. Use the included alcohol wipe to clean the frame where you will mount the solar panel. Snap the clips into the back of the solar panel, remove the protective film from the adhesive strips, and then firmly press the adhesive into your chosen location. You can move the panel up and down on the adjustable brackets to find the best location for sun exposure. If desired, you can also mount the solar panel brackets using the included screws. You're now ready to install your roller shade into the brackets. Before doing so, insert one end of the charging cable into the top of the pendant on the side that will be nearest the window. Then rotate the spring indicator to make sure that the red sticker is visible. Make sure to install your roller shade so that the fabric comes off of the front or back depending on what you ordered. Slide the spring-loaded end into one of the two mounting locations on the wall bracket. Compress the spring and slide the other end into the corresponding mounting location in the opposite bracket. The diameter of your roller shade will determine which mounting location you will use. Check the spring indicator. If you can see red while your roller shade is within the brackets, that means you do not have sufficient spring force to safely operate your roller shade, and you'll need to add one of the included spacers. Remove the shade and firmly press a spacer into place on one of the brackets. Replace the shade. Repeat this process until you can no longer see any red. Spacers can also be used to make adjustments to center the roller shade within the window. Your kit includes a variety of locking safety clips that are used to lock the spring-loaded idler assembly in place. When placed properly, these clips prevent you from accidentally compressing the spring and removing your shade. If you need to remove your roller shade for any reason, these safety clips will need to be removed first. With the roller shade safely mounted, place at least one or possibly two of the locking clips on the spring-loaded side of the assembly. Make sure to fill the gap as tightly as possible. Now, plug the charging cable into the side of the solar panel. For a more tidy installation, use the included cable management clip. Remove the protective film from the adhesive backing and press firmly in your desired location. Then simply wrap the cable into the clip to take up any slack. To automate your shades, download and install the Tilt Smart Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a Tilt account or log in using your existing MySmart Blinds account. Turn on the motor by sliding the power switch to the on position. Tap the room button. Create the name of a new room. To pair your Tilt app with your mobile device, use your thumb and forefinger to simultaneously press the two bottom buttons on the front and back of the motor assembly pendant. When the roller shade is found, give it a name and follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate your shades to their maximum up, down, and middle positions. Tap the automation button to create automated schedules for opening and closing your roller shades. That's it! We hope you enjoy your new roller shades. If you have any questions about ordering, measuring, or installing MySmartRollerShades, please contact us and we are happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and tap the like button. For more information about our smart home products, visit our website. Thanks for watching. I'm Natalie, and I hope this video has made your home a little smarter.